We're heading out to Sunrise Point this morning. Ain't that right, girl? Which you'll get up on. Anyway, kind of hard to see it, but I'll video it again when we get closer. We're coming to you live right now from Sunrise Point in Bryce Canyon. So here it is. Smile, babe. All right. So here is another live video. This is from Bryce Canyon. We walked up to, it's called Sunset Point. Sunrise Point. They do have a Sunset Point too, but this is Sunrise Point. Sun might be too bright for you, but
is Dad with you?
I ain't sure if it's too bright or not, but let's see if I can go to a different vantage point. I wish I could learn how to flip this camera. Oh, there we go. Look at that. All right. I'll be right back, babe. Go up to this thing up here. The sun just peeked over, so it's pretty bright. It might be blocking everybody's view. Well, we come out here right before the sun come up, but I don't know if it's messing up the camera or not, but it's still awesome. All right, I'm getting off this thing. I'll try to add some more videos later, but it's pretty out here. Right here, there's a little bonsai looking tree. I know it ain't no bonsai tree, so y'all don't tell me it's not a bonsai tree. I know it ain't. I wonder if you can zoom in. Oh, snap, you can. All right, I'm out.